Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to sharpen a leatherworking knife and a skiving chisel for thinning leather at home. Both tools were ordered from AliExpress. Their quality is mediocre, and they dull quickly. In fact, they arrived already slightly dull, so sharpening them before use is essential. Step 1. Preparing the tools. You'll need the following: sandpaper, waterproof, paper-based. I used grit sizes 400, 600, and 800. For a finer finish, you can also use 1000, 1500, or even 2000 grit sandpaper. A solid base. A piece of plexiglass works great for holding the sandpaper steady. Polishing compound. I used green goi paste, a piece of plywood or another rigid material for applying the paste and refining the edges. A piece of leather for stropping and refining the chisel blade. Step 2. Sharpening the leatherworking knife. 1. Setting up the sandpaper. Secure the sandpaper on the plexiglass. Apply a bit of oil to the sandpaper surface. This prevents overheating and makes sharpening smoother. 2. Determining the sharpening angle. Hold the blade at the correct angle to the sandpaper, using your finger to maintain consistency. 3. Sharpening process. Make smooth, consistent strokes while keeping the angle steady. Gradually switch to finer grit sandpaper for better results. For the flat side of the blade, lay it flat and grind evenly. Four. Polishing. Apply goi paste to a plywood surface and polish the blade with slow, circular motions. Five. Testing the knife. Try cutting leather to check the sharpness. While the knife performs well, additional sharpening with finer grit 1500 to 2000 grit could improve its edge further. Step 3. Sharpening the skiving chisel. The process for sharpening the skiving chisel is slightly different. 1. Sharpening movements. Use backward strokes or circular motions when sharpening on sandpaper. Avoid forward strokes to protect the cutting edge. Two, refining the inner edge. Use a piece of thick leather coated with goi paste for stropping the inner side of the blade. Ensure the chisel is pulled perpendicularly along the leather to avoid damaging the edge. 3. Finishing the cutting edge. Use the leather strip for additional refinement, focusing on smooth, even strokes. Four, testing. Check the chisel's cutting ability. After sharpening, it cuts significantly better than before, though further refinement can still enhance its performance. This process demonstrates that even budget-friendly tools can become functional with proper sharpening. By carefully following these steps and using finer grit sandpaper, you can achieve an even sharper edge. Thank you for watching, wishing you all the best.